Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. It's been about a week, but I wanted to come out quickly and show you some things that I got from Amazon. I ordered a few things. You know I'm shut in here, right? So I ordered a few things and I want to do an unboxing, and I also want to do a sort of a get ready with me. Now, this is the first time I've ever done a get ready with me, but it's not going to be full scale, but I just want to show you some of the products that I got in the mail from Amazon and how I'm going to use them. So if that interests you, then by all means, stick around. So this package arrived from Amazon and I hit it with some bleach, hit the box with bleach, and just left it sitting on a rug near the backyard door for days. And then I hit the packages themselves with bleach. So what you see me doing now is just wiping down all the packages. I actually left them sitting for days before I even touched them. So right now I'm just going to wipe the bleach off of all the packaging, and then show you how I'm going to use it. Makeup, leave-in conditioner. I'm trying this leave-in conditioner a little different than what I usually try. I just wanted to give it a shot. It's the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner, 8 ounces, and it was $5.71. Some Maybelline Fit Me Matte Pure Poreless Liquid Foundation Makeup, Warm Honey, a different shade than what I usually use. This was $5.34. And before that, you saw me pick up the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And that was $5.34 as well. This Dove cream, oh my God, this Dove Beauty Cream is actually awesome, and it smells amazing. It smells amazing. So what I'm going to show you is my regular Maybelline Fit Me, which is the shade in 330. That's what I use for summer and most of the time. So it's a shade 330. And then I have a shade that's a 320 that I use mostly in the winter time. They're really close. The 330 is just got a little bit more of a caramel color to it. But what I ordered on Amazon is something called Warm Honey. It's 322. Now I didn't know they had this shade, the 322. So I said, let me see how this goes on. How much of a difference could it be between my 330 that I always use for regular and my 320 that I use for the winter? 322 is between that, right? So I said, let me try the 322 and see how that works out. So I'm using the Dove first. This cream is so good. I like to use this after I wash my face and take makeup off and all of that. Even if I have no makeup on, I like to put this on my face at night and in the morning. And it's great. It's a great hand cream too. It smells amazing. I'd run out of that Dove. I'd gotten several containers from the Dollar Tree, but of course I can't go to the Dollar Tree right now. So anyway, so I'm going to try to do a comparison of these two Maybelline Fit Me's and to see what the difference is in the shades. 322 is definitely a little lighter than my 320. It's got a little bit more of a caramel tint to it. But I think I'm gonna like it. It's not that bad. You can see I'm just trying it out on my cheek, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender
my Dirty Beauty blender to just see how that fits. And I think it's going on well. Not bad. So I want to try this leave-in conditioner. I usually use a different leave-in conditioner, and it's the Cantu that I usually use for my hair, for my natural hair. And hubby uses it too. We constantly run out. So I thought I'd try this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Oh my God, it smells great. Now it says you should use it on damp hair. And I just put some, wet my hair as I normally would, and just put it on there. By the way, guys, my hair I'm in such need of a shape up. Being home, I had to cut my own hair. Oh my God, I got patches missing on the side. The struggle is real being stuck in the house. It is really, really real. I had to cut my own hair, or try to cut my own hair, and the color, oh, let's not even talk about coloring my hair. But anyway, so I put a little makeup on, just a little liner, mascara, did my brows, and threw on some lipstick. And that's pretty much it for me, guys. This is my normal look if I'm going somewhere. Occasionally I might have some blush, but for the most part, this is pretty much it. And I just wanted to bring you guys along with me for this little quasi get ready with me and unboxing. Thumbs up this video if you like this. And thanks so much, guys. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope you like this unboxing and this little get ready with me. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I usually do videos on thrifting and home decor and things going on around my house. So if you like those kinds of things, then by all means, hit the subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.